Hello everyone, day 112 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Started off the week with a good one. I think we got all the benders ready to go out for powder coating, so we got that. We have the skid as done as we can before the laser welder gets in, which will be on next Monday. And have some clarification and ready to move forward on some things for beams for houses. That'll get rocking and rolling forward. Our team did grow. We got another guy out in the shop, and then we'll see. You got some more interviews coming. Potentially move up to another guy or person. And verbally have a new job. Big new job of these, big 50-foot long platforms, 4 of them, and they kind of need them as soon as possible. So we'll have some overtime going here starting next week, getting those done. And that's why we need to grow. And that's just going to go into the other stuff that we already know is coming. So excited about that. As a part of that, we have these carts here, but they're on wheels to go in these tracks. Over time, these tracks had gotten kind of cleaned up with gunk, so we've been getting all the gunk out of there and then using the sweeper to go over the top to clean it up. So we're making progress there. Should be done with that tomorrow, but then hoping that by having the sweeper we'll be able to keep it clean once it is clean, without having to do too much extra maintenance. Lots of, going through, with the project at the timeline that we're looking for, wanting to go through and get all the details for that as best we can. And we can, figuring out, are there tools and things that we can get, to, not only help us with this job, but can help with future jobs that, would help move things along, or better ways we can do things, and kind of, trying to think about that ahead of time. So excited about that. We're going to be busy here this week, busy next week. We're going to be busy for a long time, which is a great place to be, especially based on where we have been. Excited about that. Lots more to come there as well. Andrew made some good improvements. The Stream Deck I can throw up the before and after videos on that, but really just reducing a lot of clicks that he would have to do to add welds into his drawings, and just making that a lot smoother. Whereas now it's what used to be several clicks and a lot of movement is reduced down to 3, kind of minimum, depending on how many things need to get that weld applied to it. So really good job by him there. And things are looking good here. We're getting a little bit cleaner every day. Dan did some cable management after I left on Thursday. I didn't see, so that was great, and really happy with where things are at. Sign off for now.